favor, turn around.
No, this is ridiculous. Are you kidding me right now?
You're being placed under arrest for DUI.
I am
Stop tensing, okay?
On the 10th of May 2023, police Bodycam captured a DUI stop involving Officer Dustin Hall and a woman identified only as Andrea. Andrea was stopped after driving on the wrong side of the road. She declined all field sobriety tests and was arrested for DUI.
I'm right near a site for driving the wrong way.
Okay. Hey, Ms. Anthony, right?
Andrea.
Andrea, I'm sorry. Are you able to step out real quick? I just want to talk with you.
Yeah.
Okay.
What do you need?
If you could step out, I want to speak with you. Just over here. My cruiser's this one. I want to speak with you. I'll make sure you're good to drive.
I mean, we're like, this is craziness.
What do you mean?
This is craziness what we have going on here. I'm going to stand right here.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, like I said, I just make sure that you're good to drive. Apparently you were driving on the wrong side of the road and that's some other signs have been noted. Just make sure that you're good.
Yeah, I am.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is it okay if we take a look at your eyes?
No.
Okay.
What is happening right now?
Like I said, I want to make sure you're good to drive. I'm conducting DUI investigation.
Yeah. I will get an Uber if that makes you feel better. And I am like a few blocks from my house.
Okay. Like I said, I want to make sure to go drive. That's why I want to take a look at your eyes. Again, it's optional.
Yeah.
But
no.
Okay. I just want very present demographic information with you then. Okay.
Yeah.
Like your name. Could you come over here because my clipboard's over here? Ma'am, you can't go back to the car right now.
For what?
Because I'm conducting an investigation.
I don't know how all this works.
Ma'am, again, I said not back to the car.
But why?
Because I'm conducting an investigation right now. Okay?
I don't know how this works. No.
If you have any questions, I'm more than happy to answer right now. I just want to go ahead and verify some demographic information. My clipboard's over there.
What demographic
Your name, your current address.
Okay, so why can't I go back to my...
Because my clipboard is over there right now.
And my car's over there.
Okay, so I would like to write down this information on my clipboard over there.
Yeah.
Can you come with me over there?
Am I being arrested?
No, not at this point. You're not
okay.
handcuffed.
So then no.
Okay.
I can go to my car.
At this point, I'm telling you no, you cannot.
Why?
Because again, ma'am, I'm conducting an investigation.
Under Terry v. Ohio, 1968, wrong side driving constitutes reasonable articulable suspicion, the stop is lawful. Under Pennsylvania v. Mims, 1977, the officer may lawfully order the driver from the vehicle without further justification. The Fourth Amendment permits a brief investigatory detention, not an open-ended seizure. Rodriguez v. United States, 2015, a stop cannot be prolonged beyond its original purpose without independent reasonable suspicion.
Listen, I don't know how all this works.
Okay.
I've never been in any kind of trouble ever.
Okay.
I am a few blocks from my boyfriend's house. And if you don't want me, I will walk to my house.
Okay.
I don't need to drive.
Okay.
Fine. I will
That's
walk.
not an option right now.
Yeah.
Sir, quiet.
This is silliness.
Sir, stop talking. Get back in the car.
No, we're fine.
Sir.
We're all fine.
What are you arguing?
No, we're not arguing.
Can you get him back in?
We're all fine. We're all good. This is all good.
Okay, so listen, here's the thing. The reason I want to look at your eyes, I want to get your demographic information, and I want to do a few other field sobriety tests because I do not want to... Field sobriety tests are all voluntary, including the eyes, walk and turn, one leg stand, things like that, okay?
Yeah.
The thing is that without your participation in it, I'm being forced to make a decision right now on whether or not... I'm being forced to make a decision.
Come on.
The other thing...
I am 46 years old.
Okay. But let me finish this. This is important to you. I want to make sure that you understand this. And so, additionally, if you refuse to participate in field sobriety tests, should an arrest be made, your refusal can be used against you in court. Okay?
Come on.
Those are the two things I need to understand right now. I'm not trying to be like brass or anything like that with you, but I want to be very straightforward with you. I'm conducting a DUI investigation.
Of what?
Of the things that happen if you do not participate. Again, it's all voluntary. I cannot force you to do anything. I won't force you to do anything.
I will.
But again, without your participation, ma'am, I am being forced to make a decision based on my signs of impairment I have seen so far.
A decision of what?
Potentially an arrest decision.
Oh, come on.
Okay?
Stop. Like, how old are you? I am
Ma'am, that's
46
irrelevant.
years old. I am a mom. I am a teacher.
Okay.
I have been doing my best my whole life. Like, I will just go and walk.
That's not an
like,
option
if you don't, why?
Because
What is?
I'm conducting my investigation right now.
Oh, come on. What
Trying to be
is
honest
your
with you.
name?
Officer Hall.
Officer what?
Hall. H-A-L-L. Like
That
Alfred.
is my name.
Okay, last name Hall as well?
Yeah.
Maybe a distant relative. Who knows?
No, maybe.
But seriously, ma'am, I'm
What is
letting
your
you know
first
this.
name?
Dustin.
Dustin.
Yep.
And I'm Andrea.
Okay.
Come on.
Ma'am, I have to do my job.
Okay,
I have to verify that
Dustin?
you are good to drive.
Listen. Stop all, like, this is silly. I we don't need to do any of this. Come on.
So, will you participate or will you not participate? I need to know that.
Participate in what?
The field sobriety exercises.
No.
Like looking at the eyes and then walking.
No,
Okay,
I
you
am
understand
not.
what I told you before, right? Without
What?
your participation, that I'll be forced to make a decision. And if you refuse, your participation can be used against you in
Dustin,
court.
come on.
You understand that, right?
Oh my goodness.
And are you still
This
refusing
is
knowing
so-
that?
This is so silly.
And knowing that, are you still refusing?
Dustin,
Ma'am, I need a yes or no on
please.
that.
How old are you?
That's irrelevant right now.
Seriously. What is even happening right now?
Okay.
Why are
Ma'am,
there
I need
so
a yes
many
or no
people
on whether or not
here?
you're willing to participate.
What is happening?
I need a yes or no on that.
Oh my goodness.
Otherwise,
The officer confirmed the subject was not under arrest, yet continued to restrict her movement. This creates legal tension. Once a subject is told she is not under arrest, a reasonable person would believe she is free to leave. Ordering her to stay without arrest or articulable new suspicion places the detention in a constitutional gray zone. Field sobriety tests are voluntary in virtually every U.S. jurisdiction. Refusal cannot be used as the sole basis for arrest. Birchfield v. North Dakota, 2016, distinguishes FST refusal from chemical test refusal. They carry different legal consequences. FST refusal is admissible as evidence in court under implied consent statutes, but it is not itself a crime. The officer's probable cause record is thin, no odor of alcohol, no specific impairment signs articulated on camera. Probable cause requires the totality of circumstances. Wrong side driving plus refusal may or may not meet that threshold.
force make a decision based on his observations and
I
my
need to
observations.
be able to call my lawyer then maybe.
Okay,
You
that
need
is
to
not an
not
option right
block
now.
my
It's-
car.
ma'am,
Yeah,
that is
it
not an
is
option right now.
absolutely always an option to
Let me
call
read
my
this to you now.
lawyer.
I'm gonna read your Miranda
No,
rights.
stop.
Stop, ma'am, stop. Don't go towards the car. I told you
Why
I told
can
you
I
so
not
many
go
times
my-
already.
towards my
I'm
car?
trying to be patient. I'm trying to be polite with you. That is not an option. I told you already. I told you multiple times.
Dustin, how old are you?
Okay, I'm gonna read this to you.
Please,
You
I
wanna
need
speak
you
with me?
to
That's fine.
stop.
If
This
not,
is so silly. What do I
you
need
have
to
the right
do
to remain
here?
silent. Anything you say can't be used against you
I
in court
am
of law.
not. This is
You have the right to talk to a lawyer
ridiculous.
and have
This
him
is
present with you
ridiculous.
for
I
any
will
questions.
call
Stop.
a lawyer.
Stop moving.
Then I will call a lawyer. This
If you cannot
is
afford to hire a lawyer, then be
ridiculous.
appointed to represent you.
What is even
You can
happening
decide
right
anytime to
now?
exercise these rights and not answer any question, make any statements.
How is he reading
Do
me
you
my
understand
rights?
each of these rights I've explained
No,
to you?
I
What do you
do
like me
not.
to explain? What do you like me to explain? You don't have to speak with me, but I have to inform you of your rights, and then it's up to you on whether or not you speak with me.
Okay.
You want me to go ahead and read your rights again? Or are you just refusing to speak with me? So you don't want to speak?
No.
Okay, and again, you're refusing to participate in field sobriety exercises.
Yes.
Okay. Do me a favor, turn around.
No, this is
Stop.
ridiculous.
Okay,
Are you
have your back.
kidding me right now?
You're being placed under arrest for DUI.
I am
Stop.
being...
Stop tensing, okay?
The subject stated, "I need to be able to call my lawyer." This is a clear, unambiguous invocation of the right to counsel. Under Edwards v. Arizona, 1981, once counsel is invoked, all questioning must cease immediately until an attorney is present. Minnick v. Mississippi, 1990, reinforces the right to counsel survives, interrogation breaks, it cannot be waived by reinitiation. Miranda v. Arizona, 1966, requires rights advisement before custodial interrogation, not during an investigatory stop. Miranda was read before formal arrest was announced. If custody had already attached, earlier statements may be suppressible. The sequence matters. If the subject was functionally in custody before Miranda was read, A suppression motion has strong merit.
Are you guys kidding me right now? Are you
Can
guys
watch your hand for a
kidding
second?
me right now? What do I do? What?
Okay.
Okay, well then you need to call Dana Percy.
Ma'am, over here.
Right
Go to the
now.
car. Let go of your
What are
phone.
you guys
Let go of your phone.
I am not letting go of my phone.
You cannot have it right now.
What are you guys doing?
You're being arrested for DUI.
For what?
For DUI, like I
Oh
told you.
my gosh, you guys need to stop right now.
Sir,
Okay.
sir.
No.
Guys, relax.
You guys need to stop
Stop.
right now.
Relax. I'm just asking her a fucking
Not
question.
right now.
Not right now.
Not
you're
right now.
But we will
Yes.
help you later, okay? Just give
No,
us a minute.
this is crazy.
Face the car.
I need you to call Dana
Face the car.
Hersey
Face the car. Face the
Fulgera.
car, ma'am.
Dana,
Stop.
listen, I need you to
You
stop
can speak
right
with me a
now.
little bit, okay?
Okay?
Not right
No,
now. I need to finish what I'm doing.
struggling.
You are. Let go of the keys.
Stop. You guys need to stop right now.
This one.
Oh my gosh, what are you even doing right now?
You're being placed under arrest.
He's locking us.
I'm trying to make sure that they don't
I
tighten
need
up on
you
you.
to not do that. This is ridiculous.
Okay, we're going.
This is ridiculous. Stop
Stop.
tightening things.
I don't think this is going to
What
be
are
tighten
you?
anymore.
You
Stop
need
moving,
to
man.
stop.
Stop moving.
Okay, what are you doing?
You're being placed under arrest. I told you already.
This is craziness. This is crazy. Okay.
Stop. Face the car,
Ty.
ma'am. Face the car.
No, I need
Face
you
the car.
to stop. Ty,
Stop.
I need you to
Okay,
call.
we're just getting her in the car.
No,
Get in the
stop right now.
Get in the car.
Okay, stop. Ty, I need
Ma'am,
you
we're
to call
getting in the car.
Dana
We're getting in the car.
Percy Fulgera.
Stop.
Dana
In the car, ma'am.
Percy, stop
Get in the
right
car.
now.
Get in the car.
Stop.
Ma'am, get in the car.
Get in the
I
car,
need
we
you
can
to
put you in
stop.
the car, okay?
I need you to
Let's go.
stop.
Get inside.
Both of you
This is
need
not
to
a debate.
stop.
Sit down.
No, I need you to stop.
Take a seat in the car. Ma'am,
Ty.
you're getting in the car or we put you in the car.
Get in the car.
Dana Percy Fulgera.
I'll talk to him more.
I can.
Yeah,
Hey, bud, if you have any questions, I'm more than happy to answer them.
Now that she's secure and we can focus on you.
If you have questions.
now we have questions? Now we want to fucking talk? I actually want to talk to her. Can I talk to her?
That's up to him.
I mean,
But
no.
here's the deal. Here's what you have to understand, okay? I get this is a stressful process.
It's not
When we're-
stressful. I'm just trying to ask her a
Okay.
question.
Right.
Dana, whoever. I don't know the number.
But when we're dealing with somebody, taking them into custody and they're struggling, we can't have someone
We
behind
can't have
us.
someone behind us moving around. We don't know what's
doing
going on.
our
Again,
attention,
not saying
okay?
you have bad
We have to
intentions.
deal one thing at a time. Safety is paramount for you.
Yeah,
and
I
for
get
us.
it.
So
I get it.
just
But
don't get
she's
frustrated
a
when we tell you to
violent
back
character
off.
with guns and she's
You know
nuts.
what? We don't know if she
Yeah,
has a
whatever.
gun.
Guys,
Okay?
relax.
So you can argue
Yeah,
with us, or you
relax,
can just be
relax.
patient, and we'll answer your question. Giving us an attitude doesn't help.
She's a broad woman.
It does not
and you
matter.
guys-
That doesn't matter,
It does
sir.
not
That doesn't
matter.
matter.
You all
When
feeling
you're
tough
being
now?
taken into
Fuck off.
custody, you're being taken into
Close
custody.
this up. Set the car down. Okay?
I'm standing by with her, making sure she doesn't do anything. Just whatever was in the purse.
The arrest was announced for DUI. Under Graham v. Connor, 1989, the force used must be objectively reasonable. Physical resistance to a lawful arrest constitutes a separate offense in virtually all U.S. jurisdictions, regardless of the arrest's validity. The male companion had a First Amendment right to observe and verbally engage police in a public setting under Glick v. Cuniff, 2011. However, proximity to officers during active physical restraint creates articulable safety concern. The distance order was lawful. Grades. Officer Hall receives a B-. The stop was justified. FST advisement was accurate. However, he told the subject she was not under arrest, while simultaneously restricting her movement, a procedural contradiction. Probable cause was not clearly articulated on camera. Miranda sequencing creates a viable defense suppression argument. The subject, Andrea, receives an A-. She clearly invoked silence, counsel, and declined voluntary FSTs. Her repeated offers to take an Uber or walk reflect genuine cooperation with public safety while correctly exercising her rights. Her only legal error, physical resistance during handcuffing, which created separate criminal exposure and no legal benefit. The department receives a C+. No chemical test was offered on camera, a critical gap in a DUI case. Implied consent statutes require chemical testing to establish blood alcohol level. Without it, the DUI prosecution faces evidentiary challenges. Lessons learned. Know your rights before contact, not during the encounter. Am I free to go? And I invoke my right to counsel are the two most powerful phrases in a police encounter. Say them early. Say them clearly, then stop talking. Anything said after those words weakens your legal position. For officers, articulate probable cause on camera in real time. Silence on impairment indicators becomes a defense exhibit in court. Never physically resist arrest, even an unlawful one. The courtroom, not the roadside, is where wrongful arrests are challenged. Bystanders, observe, document, stay back. Your First Amendment rights are strongest when you remain calm and distant. For departments, FST refusal alone is insufficient for DUI arrest. Always offer chemical testing and document every observable impairment sign. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to analyze in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for more police interaction and courtroom content.